The prisoner's dilemma is one of the most important concepts in economics. So what is it? It's a situation where the decision-makers are incentivized to act in a way that makes the group worse off as a whole. In this type of scenario, we have two parties that can't communicate and have to choose between cooperating or selling the other party out. Everyone is better off when both parties cooperate. If one side is cooperative and the other side is not, the side that cooperates will lose. In this scenario, the parties cannot communicate, so neither party knows what other side will do. Therefore, both parties will choose to protect themselves. Let's look at an example. Let's say there are two robbers, but the police have no witnesses and can only prove the case if they can convince at least one of the robbers to betray the other robber. Each bank robber must choose to either cooperate with the other robber and remain silent or to testify. If they both cooperate and remain silent, then they get a lesser charge of 1 year in jail. If one testifies and the other doesn't, the one who testifies has no jail time and the other gets 5 years, so there's an incentive to betray the other party. But, if both testify against the other, each will get 2 years in jail for being partly responsible for the robbery. When they both testify, everyone is worse off, but that's just what happens. Everyone loses. That, my friends, is the prisoner's dilemma.